In this video, we will create and run a sample for Map Suite Mobile for iOS from NuGet. To start, we will create a new project, choosing iOS, iPhone, and then Single View App. Let's name our app Hello World. After a few brief moments, the project will load, and we will need to add some references. To do so, we will right-click on References, and then click Manage NuGet Packages. From here, we click Browse, and then search for Map Suite Mobile for iOS. As you can see, there are two options. We're choosing to install the standard option. It will prompt you to review your changes and accept the licenses. The standard package contains all the references you might need for your project, whereas the barebone package contains only the bare minimum packages to allow an experienced developer to have complete control over what packages are used. You can see in the output window that the packages have been installed. And we then open View Controller. Here we remove some of the predefined code and paste some sample code. We then need to use IntelliSense to add the using directives. The code here simply creates a map view, sets the current extent and unit of measurement, and adds a world streets and imagery overlay to the map. After we remove the unnecessary usings, we can now start the app. We are using VNC Viewer as a remote. After a brief moment, the emulator pops up and throws an exception. This exception is thrown because we do not have an active license. The link to our runtime license guide is within the exception, and we'll copy that here and navigate to the website. Here we choose to download the Product Center. You can also access the Product Center from the bin folder of the solution. We chose to download it here from the website. You'll need to extract the folder, open the folder, and run the Product Center. When the Product Center loads, it will prompt you for your username and password. If you do not have one, you can create an account here with a Create a New Account link. We enter our login information and log in. We then click on Mobile for iOS and then choose Activate License. It will prompt asking if you're sure that you want to activate the license, and we choose Yes. You can see that the license has been activated by the green bar underneath Mobile for iOS. If you did not purchase the product, it will say Trial Evaluation instead. Next, we need to generate the runtime license. We'll go back to the project, right-click on Hello World, and click Properties. From here, we click on iOS Application and copy the identifier. We go back to the Product Center and paste it into the runtime license box, and then click Create to create the license. We will be prompted where we want to save the license. Now we navigate to the license and copy it and paste it into our project. You'll then right-click the license and click Properties, and then click Bundle Resource for the build action. We right-click the project and then choose Clean. And now we can try to start our application again. Here you can see through the emulator that the sample is loaded and complete. Thank you for watching.